Hello everyone and welcome to ActorPlaybook. Thank you for clicking on the video and checking us out. This is a site I created for actors. I've been so fortunate to work in film, commercial, television with such incredibly talented cast and crew, and I created the site for actors to have a resource where they could find and keep everything all in one place: courses, articles, resources, workshops. Members have an opportunity to work on their craft each and every month. If one of my members is at an audition or on set or has a question, they email me 24/7 and I get back to them. So my goal is for you, if you are thinking about acting, if you're a new actor, if you are already in the thick of it, to have a resource, to have someone who 110% supports you on your journey as an actor. Before I forget, if you have not yet visited the site on ActorPlaybook, I'm really proud of this. I wrote a free ebook, free, so you can get it free on the site, Insight for the Actor, and it is chock full of tips for the audition room, tips for booking more roles, tips for when you are feeling overwhelmed, when you do not get the part. So check it out. And if you have any questions about ActorPlaybook, about the sites, there's also another article on there that I put together for those of you who are new to self-tapes or stress about self-tapes. There's lots of tips on there for you to check off as you go so that you can feel more confident in your auditions that you self-submit. So thank you for checking out the site. If you have any questions, you can look on the site and email me. I'd love to hear from you. Break a leg, everybody.